guys, before starting the video, make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link will be there in the description. Subscribe the channel and like the video as well. Now let's start with the cinematics.
One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are to release in the dead of night. In the dead of night.
Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today's video will be on the new Hyundai i20. Now let's see the headlamp of the vehicle first of all. So here you can see projector setup along with this indicator and the LED DRL as well. If you will see over here, so you get projectile of the vehicle is like this. You can see glossy black finish over there, Hyundai logo over here as well, and this is the overall front look of the vehicle. You can see it properly as well. Let me show you once again. Okay, so this is the thing. Let's see the side look of the vehicle. There are the dual tone diamond cut alloy wheels. Let's go to them. So where's the size written? Here they are, 195/55 R16, and you can see Hyundai logo over here. The alloy wheel looks nice and decent as well, and the design is very sharp. You can see Hyundai i20 written over here. So that is the thing. The design language is very sleek and nice as well. These are the chrome door handles along with this request sensor as well, and same is the case over here as well. This is the chrome garnish which runs all through the window, and here you can see the roof of the vehicle along with that shark fin antenna as well. And this is the side look of the vehicle from the rear. You can see that, and LED tail lamps which looks very nice. Astra variant badging over there, and let me try to show you the rear look. There is a bit problem of the space, so here you can see diffuser sort of treatment over there, chrome lining over there, i20 badging, and here is the Hyundai badging as well. This is the wiper of the vehicle, and let me open the boot. So here you can see the amount of boot will be written over here, but it is decent sized, and here is the subwoofer of Bose. This is the boot lamp, and here is some carrying thing. Here you can hang something, and this is the spare wheel of the vehicle, which is not an alloy, of course. Cost cutting over here, and this is a partial tray. Here is the handle, and let's close it. And this is the defogger of the vehicle, washer, wiper, and high mount stop lamp over here, which is not high mounted because this car is not tall at all. So let's get at the rear door. You can see over here all black interiors, and here is the silver finish as well. This is the gloss black door handle. Let's sit inside the vehicle. But before that, these are not the adjustable headrests. That is a disappointment thing. You do not get any kind of center armrest as well. AC vents over here, and let's sit inside the vehicle and close the door as well. So you sit very low in this vehicle, trust me on that, and you have a lot of legroom and knee room over here. The headroom is not much nice if you want to see that properly. So this is the amount of headroom, which is okay for a 5-6 person. These are the AC vents along with this silver finish as well, and here is some storage space as well. This is the USB charging socket, and there is a decent amount of not amount of but काफी बड़ा एक hump है, so that is not needed I think. Here is the handle along with the hook, but the case is not same over here. This is the light which is not LED, and this is the partial shelf if you want to see that. And that is the thing for from the rear. Now let's go to the front of this car. So yeah, let's get to the front. The build quality is not on the better side. It's on the worse side if you compare it from the old i20. So here is the request sensor. Here is the request sensor, and this is the door if you want to see that. So yeah, let's see the driver. Let's see the driver door over here. Let me open it completely. So you can see ambient lighting over here. Very nice, yaar. Here as well. I'm impressed with that. And all black door over here. These are the controls over here. This is to control the outside rear view mirror. This is to auto fold them. And here are the lock and unlock buttons. These are the power window controls. Here is the gloss black finish. Not black, gloss grey finish once again. This is the Bose speaker and ambient lighting over here along with this bottle holder. Ambient lighting looks very nice. This is the 6-way adjustable driver seat. Let's sit inside the vehicle, but let me push the seat all the way behind. These are the AC vents over here. These are the controls for the headlamps. Again, controls for the headlamps. This is the steering wheel, D-cut steering wheel along with these things, and this vehicle can do nice cornering now. These are the controls for the MID. Yes, these are the controls for the infotainment system. And let's close the door. Build quality बहुत गिर गई है इस गाड़ी की सही में. So this is the MID which is fully digital. I cannot show you because of some key issues. And this is the wiper control for sure. This is the steering wheel which is leather. I've shown it to you earlier as well. This is the infotainment system 10.25 inches which I cannot show you right now. मतलब आप देख तो सकते हो practically but you cannot listen anything. Sorry for that. And over here you can see AC vents once again. These are the controls for the air conditioning system which are designed very nicely. I love them. Here are some other things as well. USB charging socket, 12V charging socket over here. This is the USB charging once again, and this is the wireless charging pad. Here you can see 5-speed manual transmission because this is the automatic, because this is the petrol. This is the handbrake along with this gloss grey finish. Once again, 2 bottle holders over here. And this is the armrest along with nice amount of storage space as well, which is not adjustable. Yeah, it is, man. Okay, it is adjustable as well. That is a nice thing. Let's go to see the sun visor. So this is the driver side sun visors, which gets a ticket holder, and these are 2 lights over here. And if you open, this is the sunglass holder, and here you can see the co-passenger sun visor which gets a vanity mirror as well. That is a nice thing. Here is the glove box as well, and this is the first aid kit as well. So those are the things. If you want to see the overall interior, you can see the quality levels could be a bit better because you can see looks mein to these things looks nice, but hard plastics used over here, that is a thing. Fit and finish, well, that is not a concern over here because Hyundai is very great in all those things. And guys, that was my review for the Hyundai i20. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1000 subscribers, so make sure to do that. And we'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching and bye bye guys.